Now let's see question number 3. A plus B is equals to 0 and B plus A is equal to 0. सो अगर हम किसी भी दो टर्म्स को ऐड करें और ऐड करने से हमारे पास रिजल्ट ज़ीरो आए, सो दिस ज़ीरो इज़ नोन एज एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी एंड A and B are known as additive inverse of each other. Additive inverse. A और B एक दूसरे के additive inverse कहलाएंगे. For example, plus 2 and minus 2. If we add these two terms, plus 2 and minus 2, we will get 0. So this 2 and minus 2 are additive inverse of each other. So the correct answer is option B, additive inverse of B. Next we have question number 4, and question number 4 में हमें 2y whole power 3 given है. Let's simplify this. So this whole power will be distributed on each term, 2 raised to the power 3 and y raised to the power 3. That will be equal to 8y cube. So the correct answer we have is option D. Let's see question number 5. In question number 5, we have two sets, set N and set R. Set N हमारे पास नेचुरल नंबर का सेट है एंड सेट R हमारे पास रियल नंबर का सेट मौजूद है और रियल नंबर के अंदर भी हमारे पास यहाँ पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स मौजूद हैं, z प्लस एंड z माइनस. So we have to perform an operation that is natural number and this integer, the intersection of these two sets. And this operation intersection represents the common elements. So if we take the intersection में हम common elements ले लें, so 1 2 3 4 5 and onwards are the natural numbers and all the natural numbers are present in the set of integers. So the correct answer we will have is option A, 1 2 3 4 5 and onwards. So this is our correct answer. Next, we have question number 6. We have two sets, a set X and set Y. And we have to perform this operation X minus Y. So set X is 1, 2, 3, and set Y is 4, 5, and 6. So these two sets are actually disjoint sets, and for disjoint set subtraction, the answer will be the first set. कोई भी एलिमेंट कॉमन नहीं है इन दोनों सेट्स के अंदर, सो हमारे पास जो रिमेनिंग आंसर बचेगा दैट विल बी द एलिमेंट्स इन द फर्स्ट सेट. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस अ करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन बी 1 2 and 3. Next we have a shaded Venn diagram in question number 7, and we have to tell whether what is the shaded, what does this shaded area represents. So in the given diagram, A, B is the subset of A. So अगर हम सेट A में से सेट B को माइनस कर देंगे तो हमारे पास रिजल्ट कुछ इस तरह से आ जाएगा जो कि शेडेड रीजन यहाँ पर रिप्रेजेंट किया हुआ है. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज A minus B. Next, we have question number 8. And in question number 8, we have to identify the 1, 1 function. So let's see which of the following is a 1, 1 function. So in option A, the domain is not equals to set A. It means this is not a function. Similarly, in this option D, this element is remaining. It means the domain is not equals to A. So this is also not a function. In this option C, the range is repeated. रेंज रिपीट हो रही है यहाँ पर, दिस मीन्स दैट this is not a one function. So option B, we have the correct answer in which every set of domain has an individual, has a unique range, and range is not repeated. So option B is the correct answer for this question. Let's see question number 9. In question number 9, we have to multiply these two terms and represent this into scientific notation. So let's multiply this 103, that will be equals to 300, multiply by 10 raised to the power minus 5. And by converting this into scientific notation, this decimal will shift to after 3. So it will become 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 5, and decimal is shifted towards left, two digits towards left, so we will add plus 2 in the power of 10. So this would become 10, 3 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 3. So the correct answer we have is option C, 3 times 10 raised to the power minus 3. Next, we have question number 11, question number 10, and this is our exponential form, and we have to represent this into logarithmic form. A raised to the power minus 1 equals to 1 over A. So इसे हम convert करते हैं into scientific notation, into logarithmic notation. So this power will become the base, and this base would become the base of the logarithm on the other side of the equation. तो इस एक्सपोनेंट को हम बेस में ले आते हैं, इट वुड बिकम इक्वल्स टू माइनस वन, और वन ओवर ए एज इट इज रहेगा, जिसके साथ हम लॉग अप्लाई कर देंगे, और जो बेस थी ऑलरेडी ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ द इक्वेशन, हम इसे बेस बना देंगे ऑफ द लॉग एट द राइट साइड ऑफ द इक्वेशन. So here we have our logarithmic form of this exponential notation. So the correct answer is log of 1 over a to the base a equals to minus 1. So log of 1 over a to the base a equals to minus 1. So correct answer we have is option A. Next, we have question number 11, and we have to simplify this expression x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. So this is the simplest, we have to represent this into simplest form. So in numerator, we have a perfect square of x square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square divided by x plus 1. सो न्यूमरेटर को हम परफेक्ट स्क्वायर फॉर्म कर लेते हैं विद द फॉर्मूला ऑफ ए स्क्वायर प्लस टू ए बी प्लस बी स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू ए प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर divided by x plus 1. So x plus 1 will be cancelled out with the power of x plus 1. So we will only have the result as x plus 1 or 1 plus x. So the correct answer is x plus x plus 1 or 1 plus x. So this is our correct answer, that is in option C. Let's see question number 12. Which of the following expression is not a rational expression? हमें बताना है कि कौन सा एक्सप्रेशन रैशनल एक्सप्रेशन नहीं है. सो रैशनल एक्सप्रेशन अगर हम रिकॉल करें तो ऐसा एक्सप्रेशन जिसमें वेरिएबल हमारा डिनोमिनेटर में आ रहा हो, या वेरिएबल इज इन डिनोमिनेटर. अगर वेरिएबल डिनोमिनेटर में हो, दैट इज नोन एज रैशनल एक्सप्रेशन. सो दिस इज आर रैशनल एक्सप्रेशन बिकॉज वेरिएबल डिनोमिनेटर में है. सिमिलरली दिस इज आर रैशनल एक्सप्रेशन बिकॉज वेरिएबल डिनोमिनेटर में. Simultaneously, this square and this root will be cancelled out and we will get 1 over x minus 1. So यहाँ पर भी हमारा वेरिएबल डिनोमिनेटर में लाई कर रहा है. So this is also a rational expression. सो इरेशनल एक्सप्रेशन, इसके साथ एक और टर्म होती है जिसे हम कहते हैं इरेशनल एक्सप्रेशन. एंड इरेशनल एक्सप्रेशन आर दोज इन विच वेरिएबल lies in radical. either it is in numerator or denominator. If the variable lie in a radical of any index, this expression is known as irrational expression. So यहाँ हमारा variable रेडिकल साइन के अंदर आ रहा है. सो दिस इज आर इरेशनल एक्सप्रेशन एंड दिस इज आर करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. So next we have question number 12, and in this question number 12, a plus 2b plus c whole square. सो इसे हमें सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म में लिखना है. सो सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म में लिखने के लिए हम क्या करें, हम इसके ऊपर फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर देते हैं. सो फॉर्मूला वी हैव इज a प्लस बी प्लस सी होल स्क्वायर is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. So this is the formula for the uh, sum of three terms to the whole square. So अगर हम इसे expand करें, so it would become a square plus 2b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. इसे सिंप्लीफाई अगर हम कर दें तो इट विल बिकम ए स्क्वायर प्लस 4b स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर प्लस इस टर्म को मल्टीप्लाई करें तो वी विल गेट 4ab प्लस इसे हम मल्टीप्लाई करें तो वी विल गेट 4bc plus 2ac. So let's see what we have in our correct answer, where we have 2b square and 2b square. So these two are incorrect. Let's see among these two options B and C. So a square plus 4b square plus c square plus 4ab, and here we have 2bc. The correct answer should have 4bc. So here we have 4bc and 2ac. So this is our correct answer, option C. Let's see, in question number 14, we have to factorize this expression 3a plus minus 6a square plus 9a cube. So first of all, let's take the common as 3a. 3a would become common. So in the bracket, we will have 1 minus 2a plus 3a square. सो ये हमारे पास जो है वो रिमेनिंग बच जाएगा 3a कॉमन लेने के बाद. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट वी हैव इन अ करेक्ट आंसर. सो ऑप्शन ए इज अ करेक्ट आंसर, 3a into 1 minus 2a plus 3a square. So option A is the correct answer for this question number 12. Let's make the factor in question number 15, and we have to make the factor of x plus 1 whole square minus 1. So as we can see that these two terms are already perfect square. So let's apply the formula of difference of a square. So this whole bracket is a, while this bracket would become b. So a square minus b square, we know that it is equals to a plus b and a minus b. So a plus b will become a plus b, and the other bracket would be a minus b. So a minus b. So it will become x plus 2, and this plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled out with each other, and we will have x. So the factors are x and x plus 2. So the correct answer we have in option B. Next, we have question number 16, and in question number 16, we have a cubic polynomial as x cube plus x square minus x minus 1. So this is the cubic polynomial in terms of x, and we have to identify one of its factor. So by using remainder theorem, let's put the values of the x to find the factor of this cubic polynomial. From option A, we will have x is equals to 0 as a root, x is equals to plus 1, x is equals to plus 2, and x is equals to minus 2. सो इन वैल्यूज़ को हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं. लेट्स सी हमारे पास ज़ीरो किस वैल्यू के ऊपर आ जाता है. जिस वैल्यू के ऊपर हमारा पॉलिनोमियल ज़ीरो हो जाएगा, इट विल बी द रूट एंड दिस वुड बी द फैक्टर ऑफ दिस एक्सप्रेशन. सो एक्स की जगह हम प्लस वन पुट कर देते हैं. सो इट विल बिकम वन क्यूब प्लस वन स्क्वायर माइनस वन एंड माइनस वन. So 1 cube is 1, 1 square is 1, minus 1, minus 1. So this will be cancelled out with each other. So P of polynomial at plus 1 becomes 0. It's mean that x minus 1 is the factor of this, one of the factor of this cubic polynomial. So the correct option is ऑप्शन बी. सो अगर हम बाकी वैल्यूज को भी पुट करें तो हमारे पास रिमाइंडर जीरो नहीं आएगा. दैट शोज दैट दिस दीज आर नॉट द फैक्टर ऑफ दिस क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल. Let's see question number 17. And in this question number 17, y is equal to k over x. And we have to find the value of k. So k would be equals to y multiplied by x. ये x वहाँ जाके multiply हो जाएगा. So here we have the set of values of x and y. If x is 3, y is 6. So if x 3, y would be 6. And similarly, if x is 2, y is 9. So from both sides, we will get k is equal to 18. So the constant in this proportionality is 18. So the correct option is option D, 18. Let's solve question number 18. If s varies inversely as y square, s and y square are inversely proportional, so the equation would become s is equals to k over y square. Here we have s is equals to a and y is equals to b. So we have to find the value of proportionality constant. So proportionality constant will be equal to s into y square. This y square would be multiplied on the other side of the equation. So value of s is a and value of y is b. So s will be a and y will be b. So the value of proportionality constant k is ab square. So the correct answer we have is in option A, AB square. Next, we have a matrix question in question number 19. If A is a singular matrix, so A हमारे पास singular matrix है, and a singular matrix means the determinant is zero, then that matrix is known as singular matrix. So if A is singular matrix, so this determinant would be equal to zero. So let's find the determinant. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं इन एलिमेंट्स को. C multiplied by 1 minus 3 multiplied by 0 should be equals to 0 because this matrix is a singular matrix. So C1 times is C and 3 times 0 is 0. So the value of C would become 0. So at the for the value of C as 0, this matrix would become a singular matrix. So the correct answer is in option C. Then we have question number 20. And in this question, matrix A is a symmetric matrix. So symmetric matrix की definition को recall करें तो a matrix whose transpose is equal to the same matrix, these matrix is known as symmetric matrix. अगर किसी matrix का हम transpose लें, transpose लेने के बाद matrix remains same, so that matrix is known as singular or symmetric matrix. So इस matrix का अगर हम transpose लेंगे, transpose लेने के बाद भी यही same matrix आएगा, that would make it a symmetric matrix. So option A would be the correct answer because this option A is same as the matrix given in our question. So A is the correct answer. Let's see our next question, question number 21. In question number 21, we have to multiply these two matrices. So the order of this is 2 by 2 and order of the next matrix is 2 by 1. So as we can see, multiplication is possible because the column in first and the rows in second are same, and our answer would be of order 2 by 1. So this is of order 2 by 2. It's mean this is the incorrect answer. This is 1 by 2. So this is our incorrect answer. So we have to check whether option B or option C is the correct answer. So let's multiply these two matrices. So this row will be multiplied by this column, 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1 multiplied by 1. Then the next matrix, next row will be multiplied by the same column, 1 into 1 and 1 into 1. So after simplification, we will get 1 plus 1, 2 and 1 plus 1, 2. So correct answer is option B. So in question number 22, we have a pie chart, and in this pie chart we have different sports liked by different persons. In question number 22 we have to find the central angle of the persons that likes football, basketball. So we have 15% of this pie chart are the person that likes the basketball. So the simple formula of to find this central angle is that percentage is equals to central angle divided by 360 times 100. सो ये हमारे पास सिंपल सा फॉर्मूला है. इस फॉर्मूले को यूज करके हम सेंट्रल एंगल फाइंड आउट करते हैं. परसेंटेज हमारे पास गिवन है 15%. सो लेट्स सी दिस एंगल इज एक्स. सो द सेंट्रल एंगल इज एक्स मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 डिवाइडेड बाय 360. सो एक्स अगर हम यहाँ से फाइंड आउट करें तो हमारे पास हो जाएगा 15 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 360 डिवाइडेड बाय 100. सो इसको अगर सिंप्लीफाई करें तो सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद आर एक्स would be equals to 54. So the correct answer we have is option D, 54. Next, we have question number 23, and in this question number 23, we have to use the same pie chart. According to the given data, the least favorite football sports is. सबसे कम फेवरेट स्पोर्ट्स कौन सा था? सो लेट्स सी दिस चार्ट अगेन. सो इसमें हमारे पास टेनिस इज 13% and badminton is 12%. So the least percentage of the sport is badminton. So let's see which of the option is correct. So our correct answer is badminton, that is in option C. Let's see question number 24. Which of the following statistical measurement may have one or more than one value? कौन सी statistical measurement हमारे पास एक या एक से ज़्यादा हो सकती है? So that is the mode. The most repeated values are in a given data are known as mode. किसी भी डेटा में हमारे पास मोड एक या एक से ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं. सो ऑप्शन 24, क्वेश्चन नंबर 24 में हमारा करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन सी है. Let's see question number 25, and in this question we have to find the angle F. सो एंगल एफ अगर हम देखें तो इस दोनों ट्राइंगल्स ए बी सी एंड डी ई एफ, ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स हमारे पास कॉन्ग्रेंट ट्राइंगल्स हैं. सो एंगल एफ अगर हमें फाइंड करना है तो एज वी कैन सी दैट एंगल एफ इज ऑपोजिट टू द साइड जेड. तो साइड जेड के ऑपोजिट यहाँ जो एंगल है दैट इज एंगल सी. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द कॉन्ग्रेंसी दिस एंगल सी विल बी इक्वल टू एंगल एफ. एंगल सी और एंगल एफ बराबर होंगे. अगर हमें एंगल सी फाइंड आउट करना है सो हमारे पास दोनों एंगल्स गिवन है. सो एंगल सी विल बी इक्वल टू 180 माइनस 60 माइनस 45. इनको अगर हम माइनस करेंगे तो वी विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ एंगल सी. सो 180 में से हम माइनस कर देते हैं 60 को और 45 को. सो रिमेनिंग वुड बी 75. So angle C हमारे पास आ गया 75 degrees. So angle F would also be equals to 75 degree because these two triangles are congruent. So the correct answer we have is option D. Let's see our next question. That is question number 26. For the given triangles, we have to find the angle C. Angle C हमें find out करना है. And इस दोनों triangle, once again, these two triangles are congruent, and angle C will be equal to angle F. So this angle is 90 degree and the other is 27. So थर्ड एंगल फाइंड आउट करने के लिए एंगल एफ विल बी इक्वल टू 180 माइनस 27 माइनस 90. इन एक्सप्रेशन को अगर हम सिंप्लीफाई करें सो वी विल गेट 63 डिग्रीज. सो एंगल एफ हमारे पास 63 डिग्रीज हो जाएगा एंड एंगल सी विल ऑल्सो बी इक्वल टू 63 डिग्रीज बिकॉज these two triangles are congruent. So our correct answer is option C, 63 degrees. Let's come to our question number 27. In this question, we have a parallelogram whose perimeter is 30 centimeters. Perimeter हमारे पास 30 centimeter है and we have to find the value of BC. So, according to the properties of parallelogram, opposite sides are congruent. So, this side DC would be equals to 10 and AD will be equals to X, and the perimeter is 30. It's mean the sum of all the sides x plus 10 plus 10 will be equals to 30 degree. So यहाँ से अगर हम x find out करें so we will get 30 minus 20 and 2x equals to 10 and x will be equals to 5. So these two sides are equal to 5. So the whole sum of all the side would become 30 centimeters. So the correct answer we have is in option A. Next, we have question number 28. A point equidistance from the endpoints of a line segment lie on the right bisector. अगर कोई point, let's say this is our line segment XY, and we have an arbitrary point P, and the question states that if this point is equidistant from the endpoints of a line segment, अगर ये point किसी line segment से बराबर distance पर है, so this shows that this point will obviously lie on the right bisector of this line segment XY. So the correct answer is option C. Let's see question number 29. In the given triangle ABC, which of the following statement is true? हमें true condition identify करनी है. And from the diagram, we can see that the greatest side is 7 centimeter while the smallest side is 4 centimeter. This means that angle C is maximum because a theorem says that the angle opposite to the greatest side is the larger angle, and the angle opposite to the smaller side is the smallest angle. सो 7 के सामने जो एंगल है सी वो सबसे बड़ा होगा, जबकि 4 के सामने जो एंगल ए है वो सबसे छोटा होगा. एंगल ए विल बी मिनिमम. So question option A states that angle A greater than angle B. Angle A जो है वो greater होगा B से. That is the false statement because angle A greater नहीं है. Angle A is the smallest angle. Similarly in option B, angle B is greater than angle C. Angle C जो है वो largest angle है. Angle B बड़ा नहीं है. It's mean this is the wrong answer. ऑप्शन सी एंगल ए इज ग्रेटर देन एंगल सी. एंगल ए जो है वो स्मॉलेस्ट एंगल है. सो एंगल ए सी से बड़ा नहीं है. सो एंगल ऑप्शन सी इज ऑल्सो द इनकरेक्ट ऑप्शन. सो एंगल सी ग्रेटर देन एंगल बी. दिस इज आवर करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 29, that is in option D. Let's come to our last question of this year 2014. And in question number 30, we have to find the value of BD. And sorry, BD is the angle bisector of this angle ABC, and we have to find the ratio XY. So if this is the angle bisector, we know that angle bisector always intersect the side opposite to the angle in the equal ratio. So the ratio AB with BC will be equals to AD and DC. दोनों आर्म्स का रेशियो, एंगल्स के दोनों आर्म्स का रेशियो बराबर होता है ऑपोजिट साइड पे, दोनों ऑपोजिट साइड की साइड के रेशियो के. सो ए बी इज इक्वल्स टू 2 and BC, AB is equals to 3 and BC is equals to 2, and AD is equals to X and DC is equals to Y. सो क्वेश्चन में हमें x रेशियो y और x ओवर y फाइंड आउट करना है. सो x ओवर y इज इक्वल्स टू 3 over 2. सो x रेशियो y will be equal to 3 ratio 2. So the correct answer for our last question, that is question number 30, is option D, 3 ratio